Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. Welcome to the live trading room. Hope you all had a good afternoon yesterday. Here is yesterday's chart. Took six trades yesterday for plus 71, so it was a good afternoon. Had that early first trade that I dumped out of, they had to come back from, but did nicely and got back up to 71. So that was yesterday's charts. Hope you had good trading yesterday. Um, Had some good tradable moments in the morning. Things calmed down in the afternoon. Generally, the market rose through the afternoon and closed. Let's see. Q closed at 713.13. It's currently sitting at 708.48, so no gap play this morning. Let's move up to real time. Let's go ahead and put that there. And we are in the 21st, heading over to the option chain. We have 1.620 million traded in pre-market volume. And I've got to recenter my option chain here. There we go. And again, the strikes are out of balance, of course, with all this pre-market volume. It's good to see that we're getting good pre-market volume these days, pretty good volume into the sessions. It gives us better price movement during the regular session. Anyway, we will determine which strikes we will go after when we get this pre-market volume figured into the strike pricing. And with that, there goes Keith unmuting his mic. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, only had one trade yesterday, but up 47 cents for that. And yes, I still have my put trade open from 2 days ago. So hopefully we'll close that out today with the pre-market being down here this morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. This morning we had a number of announcements come out at 8:30. Building permits came out a little bit greater than expected. Permit changes were up from last month. Continuous jobless claims came in just a tad under where was anticipated, but pretty much spot on. Housing starts came in a little bit stronger than anticipated. Initial jobless claims came in just a tad under anticipated. The 4-week average has come down a little bit from last reported. And the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey came out quite a bit less than anticipated. So that hit quite a bit less. We will have a S&P Global Composite PMI reports and manufacturing reports come out at 9:45 today. And Kansas Fed manufacturing activity at 11. A 4-week bond auction at 11:30 and a 10-year one at 1 o'clock today. One of the Fed members will be speaking at 12:30 today. So that's about it from here. Again, I'm trading June 18th monthly expirations on any new positions and looking to get out of that put this morning. So that's about all I have here today.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the report.
Sure.
And yeah, hopefully you get out of that put today. See some sell-off happen here overnight, and hoping that will continue through the day. We've got less than 30 seconds. Just a reminder to set up your chart. So there's 30 cents between each of your hash marks. Why? So we're looking at the same candles every day. Doesn't have to be 20 cents, it can be 30, it can be 10, just as long as you're using the same calibration from day to day. All right, there's 10 seconds. Stand by, everybody. We're going to get going here in five, four, three, two, one. There's the bell. We are in. Let's make it a good day. We've had a pretty good week so far. Let's continue it through Friday. We get a Monday off next week. Markets will be closed on Monday. All right, broader indices. Dow is down by 150, 160. Nasdaq's down by 145. S&P's down by 31. So we've got negative broader indices, which bodes well for some selling off today. Got a good full house today. Appreciate everyone being here and supporting the room. I think we've got a new visitor in today. Got price climbing a bit. All right, so over on the option chain, I will be at the 705 on the call side and the 712 on the put side. Nothing really happening price-wise just yet, although we generally don't do anything the first 5 minutes. Got 2.6 million traded on the underlying asset. Price climbing a bit now. Oh, where's our MACDs? There it is. Sorry about that. Let's get the MACDs in view here. Got our 5 minute MACDs trying to cross toward the call side. Like to see price climb a bit past VWAP and then do a reversal where we can get into a put trade. This price climb is stalling out a bit. We've got Dexter, the trade dog, with us today. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 706 on the put side.
Put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. I just jumped into the 706 on the put side. Thank you, Keith. Uh, Orders got in at 503. Hey, Dexter.
Hey Tim,
Yeah.
I don't think you're in the 706 for today's expiration.
Yeah, I
Oh
am.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
my chart shows the 706 to be about worth $1.73.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm in
May
today.
21st. I
Yeah.
mean May 21st.
Yep.
That can't be right.
Which one
Really?
can't be right?
706.
Right. I mean, I should for that amount, you need to be around the 713.
Huh. I'm in
Yeah,
the honest, I'm in the 21st, 706. Oh, I'm in the call. I'm sorry.
that makes
And
sense.
That
I
could
meant to
change
be in the
everything.
put. Why did I get in the call? That was stupid.
Happens to the best of us.
Yeah, let's just get out of this then. There we go. Got out at 518. 503 to 518. I was in the call side. Sorry, guys.
My mistakes don't generally work out that way.
Yeah, mine either. All right, we got price triangle. Excuse me. Sorry about that. That was awfully loud. All right, let's head over to the 713 on the put side this time. Let's get a pseudo demand zone in on the bottom here. Price dropping.
We can put a true supply zone in there too.
That's true. Price rising again to VWAP. All right, keeping an eye on the 713 on the put side. I'm going to enter this 713. It's passed me by. Nope, didn't pass me by. All right, got filled at 496. I think I got in the right side this time. Stand by to take some profit here. Let's go ahead and just take some profit real quick. Out at 524, 496 to 524. Got our 1 minute MACD has crossed over. Dow is down by 235, Nas down by 135, S&P down by 35. Price trying to push down here.
We got 1 minute till those announcements come out at 9:45.
Okay. Go over the call side to the 705 on the call side. Also keeping an eye on the 712 on the put side. All right, going through VWAP. I'm going to wait for the reversal on this. I just don't trust the call side right now with the broader markets being down as far as they are. Stand by on the 713 on the put side. I'm going to enter the 713. Ah, passed me by. Dang it. Try it again here. There we go. Got in the 713 at 532.
I did move the demand zone down just a tad to a real demand zone.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. There we go. Out at 554, 532 to 554. Just chipping away here. Okay, we'll go ahead and move this demand zone down a little bit as per Keith. There we go.
You got caught out in the rain, didn't you? Oh, bleh, bleh, wet cat, wet cat. He got caught out in the rain.
Oh dear.
Now he wants to rub all against me.
Of course.
Bleh.
Wet cat.
Let's, yeah, pay it off. That's a little better. Yeah, it's still bad. Still.
All right, let's keep an eye on the 712 on the put side. 5 minute MACD is crossing to the put side. Our 1 minute MACD is already in the put bias position. Ooh, big reversal. Those tricky market makers.
My bet is some kind of breaking news just dropped.
You might be right, Michael.
Well, I'm happy with the market makers today. They just gave me the high penny on a target I had set,
Oh, nice.
so I'll take it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I, I mean, they'll drop down and get and take your stop.
Yep.
Will they come up and get your target just to have it and have it over with, or do they
Yep.
do that?
Yep.
They must have, because absolutely the high penny is what they gave me.
That's awesome.
I love that. It's usually the other way around. So I was in the put. They took the high penny and then reverse. Look what it's doing now.
Yeah.
Wow, I'll take it.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, still looking, and we'll call it the 713 on the put side. If this reverses back, this may just launch up. It wants to continue up. Broader indices have come off their lows quite a bit. So I'm going to head over to the call side, to the 707 on the call side. But
I'm
let's,
watching the 705 again, June expiration.
okay.
I'm going to try to get in on this here. Got in at 2172.
Okay. But a bargain at any price.
All right. We've got 2 minutes to the pop if there's going to be one.
Okay. All right, looking at the 713 on the put side. May wait for the pop to happen first. You got 20 seconds till the pop. Still looking at that 707 on the call side.
There's the pop.
Okay. Heading over to the 708 on the call side. 708 strike call. I'm going to enter this 708. It's passed me by. Try again here. There we go. In the 708. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. I just took profit. No. Okay. Had my hand a little bit too tight on the mouse button. Anyway, 483 to 499.
Another not bad mistake.
Yeah. Yeah. Market makers trying to initiate a little sell-off here. Price cooling off just a bit from the swing high.
Go ahead and get out of this call.
Okay.
Get out.
Michael just posted his one-eyed corgi hard at work. Did you get out of that, Keith?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like Buster's in the consolidation zone there.
Yes. The price rising again. We've got 7,435,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is up 18, Nas is down 54, S&P is down 10. We can actually move up our supply zone a little bit.
Definitely had some volume candles less than 100,000 here this morning.
Yeah. No, excuse me just for a few minutes. I'll be right back. Oh, price is dropping like a rock here. Hey, Dexter. What are you doing? All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 713 on the put side. 713 strike put.
We can put that supply zone up a bit
Oh,
more.
yeah. Yes, we can. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. Bring that up. Price rebounding off the demand zone a bit. Dow is down by 13, Nas down by 135, S&P down by 26, with 8,355,000 traded on the underlying. Price may be back into sell-off mode now. Just kind of waiting on this put to get some momentum going. and it's definitely getting some momentum going. So 7-11 on the put side. Getting pushed up.
Look at the 710 on the put side.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get in on this here. 1722.
Okay. Getting some good volume coming in here in the last 2 minutes. Getting a bit of a reversal here off of this low.
Oh,
Nice coming back down. Hey, Dexter, what do you need? Like we may be going into some consolidation here. So I've got four trades up 78. Price still in consolidation. The Dow has gone positive again. It's up 22. Nasdaq still down 187. S&P down 31. We're just about an hour in. We got 9,566,000 traded on the underlying, and the price meandering up a bit.
Come on, get back down there.
So I can put in a new demand zone on the bottom here. Let's duplicate that. Bring that down to there. Duplicate price level. Bring it down. Yeah, price reaching up toward VWAP. Price coming down nicely. Price on the rise through the minor zone. Price heading up toward VWAP. Price trying to get through VWAP here. Comes price coming down again. Pushing hard down. It's on the rise again. Heading back toward VWAP. Price on the way back down again. See if it's going to bounce off the minor zone. Nope, breaking through. Looks like we're into some more consolidation here. Price breaking through the minor zone again.
Mhm. What?
Price definitely making a move down now. A lot of low volume minutes here.
Yep. Sort of doesn't surprise me as the week goes on here.
Yeah, heading up into a holiday.
Yep.
Tim, you have a question in the chat.
Oh, what was the question? Hard at work. He's finished his hard work. I'm new here, coach. How do you know roughly what strike price to get with contracts? Do you look for ask price range? That's a great question, Merced. What strike price? So what I'm looking for is price around a 70 delta, between a 65 and a 70 delta on the option chain. That's really what determines it for me is what the delta is. Does that help, Merced? You're very well.
Perhaps clarify exactly what is a delta?
Is that Michael?
Yes, it was. I rarely come on the volume, but hey, educate me.
Okay. So delta measures how much price is going to rise compared to the underlying asset. So as we move up in on the call side, well, just looking at the call side, as we move up on the call side, the higher the delta, the more expensive it is, but the faster price moves.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
Okay.
So if the underlying moves, say, a dollar, the option price will move 50 cents for a 50.5 delta.
Yes. Thank you. That's kind of the missing piece right there. Price is rising again a bit. Yes. I'm sorry, Merced, I didn't see your follow-up there. So you said around a 70 delta, right? That was about the range again. Yes. Look for something look for price in the range of a 65 to 70 delta. Okay. Yeah, price is just staying close to the minor zone here. Our 5-minute MACD is trying to cross to the call side. There it goes. 1-minute MACD has been on the call side for a few minutes. Price reaching up toward VWAP, breaking through VWAP.
Been a frustrating day for me. Just the two trades I've gotten into just haven't worked out.
Yeah, I know. But you've got that great asset of time on your side.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we are at the top of the hour. That's going to do it for us this morning. 4 trades up 78 is where I'm going to end up for the day because I've got things I've got to get done this afternoon. So that's going to do it. Thank you, Keith. I know it's a frustrating day today
Yep.
for you.
Yep. Yep. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay, everybody, take care. We'll see you in the morning.